So it started because I graduated with my undergraduate in chemical engineering from UTC, and I graduated and thought there would be so many opportunities, and the pandemic hit and everything shut down. And so that's when I looked into researching different careers that were exploding at the time, and data analysis really piqued my interest. So I realized that I've already been analyzing data in these large amounts, and so UTC had this program of the Masters in Data Analysis, and they had the computer science track and the business track. And so I figured background in engineering, computer science would be a great fit. I was hired at Optum Healthcare, and I'm a senior business analyst. And so we just kind of work with claims data, and we work with different large insurance companies and take in their claims data and sort of do cleanup and analysis, and then we help them understand like what happened throughout the season is what we call it. Actually, I got this job because I was in my master's for data analysis. So even just putting that on my resume, even though I hadn't graduated at the time, that was enough to get me in the door for the interview. They were already impressed that, you know, I was pursuing my master's, and I had already gone through a lot of like the major classes. I've already learned Python and SQL, and so even though I wasn't done yet, she still gave me a chance. And so that really got me through the door there. To be able to start not knowing anything about coding and then finishing, you know, making my own machine learning algorithms, like it really says a lot about the program. Everyone's required to learn Python and SQL, C++, and Java. Those classes help me build a foundation in programming that I try to use in work, and I can, you know, bring this sort of programming thought into the different problems that we have. And so it just brings a different background. But we also get exposure to AWS softwares, the cloud, and Hadoop and Hive, which I don't think I would have gotten otherwise besides taking a class. And something I really liked about the route that I took is that I took the master's in data analysis, but in the computer science track. So I got to meet a lot of the computer science professors, which not all the business people got to. And so just to be able to talk to them and learn from their research was really inspiring, and just like to see, you know, where this could take you. The dream job, I believe, would be combining my chemical engineering knowledge with my analytical knowledge. I feel like I could be very valuable for the chemical industry because I have this deep understanding of how the engineering process works, especially in the chemical world. But I also find medical data very interesting because you have the chance to spot patterns that haven't been able to be spotted before. So, you know, you don't know what you can discover, and maybe I can discover something that will help save a life later. I find that to be the most exciting.